The philosophical concept of dualism, a seemingly simple proposition of two, unfurls into a complex and enduring debate that has permeated philosophy, religion, and even everyday thought. At its core, dualism posits the existence of two fundamentally distinct and irreducible realities, a bifurcation that challenges the notion of a unified, singular existence. This division manifests most prominently in the philosophy of mind, where it grapples with the relationship between the mind and the body, and in religious contexts, where it often embodies the struggle between opposing forces. Within the philosophy of mind, dualism presents itself in various forms, each attempting to reconcile the seemingly disparate realms of mental and physical experience. Substance dualism, famously advocated by René Descartes, asserts that the mind and body are composed of fundamentally different substances. The body, a physical entity, operates according to the laws of physics, while the mind, a non-physical entity, possesses consciousness, thought, and volition. This separation, however, immediately raises the intractable problem of interaction. How can these two distinct substances, existing in different realms, possibly interact with one another? How does a non-physical thought trigger a physical action? Property dualism, a less radical alternative, suggests that while the world is composed of a single substance, it possesses two distinct kinds of properties, physical and mental. This view acknowledges the reality of subjective experience, such as qualia, the subjective quality of experience, without resorting to the radical separation of substances. Yet, even property dualism struggles to fully explain the emergence of consciousness from purely physical processes. Beyond the philosophical realm, dualism finds expression in religious and spiritual traditions. The concept of a cosmic struggle between good and evil, light and darkness, or order and chaos is a recurring theme in many belief systems. This dualistic worldview often involves the personification of these opposing forces, leading to the belief in separate deities or spiritual entities representing each principle. Such dualisms provide a framework for understanding the complexities of human experience, offering explanations for suffering, moral choices, and the inherent tension between opposing desires. The enduring appeal of dualism lies in its intuitive resonance with our lived experience. We often perceive a clear distinction between our inner thoughts and feelings and the external world we inhabit. We experience the subjective nature of consciousness, the sense of I, which seems fundamentally different from the objective reality of physical objects. This intuitive separation, however, is precisely what makes dualism so difficult to reconcile with a scientific understanding of the world. The rise of neuroscience, with its focus on the physical basis of consciousness, has presented significant challenges to dualistic perspectives. Dualism stands in stark contrast to monism, which asserts the existence of only one fundamental reality. Materialism, a form of monism, posits that everything is ultimately physical, while idealism, another form, suggests that reality is fundamentally mental. The ongoing debate between dualism and monism reflects the enduring human quest to understand the nature of reality and our place within it. While dualism offers a compelling framework for understanding the subjective experience of consciousness and the moral complexities of human existence, it continues to face significant challenges in reconciling its claims with scientific advancements. Ultimately, the question of whether reality is fundamentally dualistic or monistic remains a central and unresolved mystery in the ongoing dialogue of philosophy.